Hi everyone, this is a 9-hole cup rookie division for the Glenmonarch Estates, I guess it's called. Anyways, I'm gonna run through the 9 holes here with you, and if there's some points that need to be said, I will point them out to you. Otherwise, for the most part, I'm gonna try to go over these as quickly as possible, because I'm gonna also be putting out pro content, so I hope it helps. Anyways, for this first particular shot, it is a par 4, hole 1. And let's do this here. This is a 10%, I believe, elevation on the first shot. Let's check this out. Yeah, it's 10% elevation on the first shot. On the second shot, it will be minus 10 because it plays uphill. So, on this first particular shot, what they did was use the power 1 ball with a extra mile. An extra mile 6 is the same distance as extra mile 7. So if you're using an extra mile 5 or lower, you might have to use a power 2 or a power 3 ball. So that would be a Katana or a Titan. But for the most part, what we're doing here is we're going full top, full left spin with a Quasar. And what I did is I had the red target, I believe, just partially inside the rough, just a little bit on the top part of it. And I allowed 10%, and I give it full top. And I give it, you can see how much curl I give it, almost to the outside ring. Could have give it to the outside ring is what I was actually supposed to do, but I didn't quite do it. That's why it got close to the rough there. So if you want to give it a little bit more curl than that, that'd be good. And look at your yardage there, 337 yards. This way you know how much backspin to put on your short iron, which you're going to be using next. This way you know if it's a minimum shot or a maximum distance. That one there was played at 337 yards. So I believe it's a minimum distance with a Kingfisher is what I used here. So it's minus 10% with a Kingfisher, minimum distance, and between 1.5 and 2 bars backspin. You want to have that end of the ball guide fairly close to the hole. I believe it was in within one block. You can see the square blocks on the green. It all depends on the length of your ball guide as well, how advanced your Kingfisher is. The ball guide's fairly advanced in the Kingfisher 5 here, so I knew there wasn't going to be too much run out. And the shot also plays uphill, but the green does play a little bit downhill there. It tends to run fairly fast, so you don't want to give it too much backspin, but you want to give it enough too. But you will see the ball guide extends once you get on the green, so you shouldn't have a problem with it. Anyways, that's hole 1. We'll see you on hole 2.